This video will go over the proper procedures for folding an American flag. When carrying a folded American flag, your arms must be folded crisscross with the right arm over the left. Never at any point should the American flag touch the ground. Start by folding the flag in half lengthwise. Fold it in half a second time, making sure that the blue and white stars are visible. The person on the striped side will start folding the flag by bringing a bottom edge to the opposite side in the shape of a triangle as shown here. A third person will help by holding the flag to provide tension so that the flag can be folded tightly. This step should take 13 folds. In the end, there should be only enough space for one fold left. The person holding the blue and white stars will fold in a triangle once and then tuck the fold into the flag. The folded flag should now be shaped like a wedge with only the blue and white stars visible. One side should have rows of 2 and 4 stars, and the other side should have rows of 1 and 3. This concludes the proper procedures for folding an American flag.